In this video, I will show you how to create and publish AR experience using Vuforia Studio. First of all, let's learn about the Vuforia Studio environment. This is the canvas where you drag and drop different widgets, like images, labels. You can switch between 3D and 2D view. On the left, in the project panel, under configuration, you can configure the project and experience. Under views, you will see all the widgets you are using in your experience. In the widgets panel, under the targets, you can set how you want to begin the experience. You can select thing mark, special target, 3D model target, or image as target. Under augmentations, there are different widgets like 3D object, label, and images in the 3D environment, and other different widgets in the 2D environment. On your right in the data panel, you can access external data from ThingWorx. You can access different things, services, property values. You can also create local parameters that you can use in the environment. So let's go ahead and create a basic AR experience with ThingMark and a label. Make sure all the panels are visible. Drag the ThingMark target on the canvas. You can set the width depending on your ThingMark size. The units are in meters. You can also set different properties like position, etc. Let's drag 3D label to display our ThingWorx property. You can drag the axis to place the label relative to the ThingMark. Quick tip: you can zoom in and out by scrolling. Left click and drag will pan. Right click and drag will rotate. Now let's bind our label with the property that we created in the earlier video, the EN1 test property. To do so, click on the plus next to external data. This will pop up a window. Type in day1, which is the name of the thing. We will use a service called getPropertyValues. Add getPropertyValues service and close the window. You will see the getPropertyValues service has been added. We will drag the EN1 test property onto the label and select text and click bind. You will see in the binding panel that the source EN1 test has been binded with the target 3D label. You can also see the ThingMark and label have been populated in the views panel on the left. To make sure that the value is updated regularly, we will have to configure the service. So we will select invoke on startup and auto refresh every second. Now we will need to configure our experience. Click on info and copy the experience service URL from Canvas. Click validate. You may need to enter the username and password. Make sure in the access you have requires authentication. In the experience, give it a suitable title. Select ThingMarks as ThingMarks Association. And in the ThingMark section, you will input the number of your ThingMark. It should be printed under the ThingMark that is given to you. We have a 36197:1 ThingMark, so we will enter that and go ahead and publish. If everything is correct, the project should be published successfully. And if you want to make any changes, you can click on home and make changes, but every time you make a change, you have to go back and publish your experience.